I can see mood swings and slumps coming a bit more now. I'm much more aware of what's going on. And I can use strategies that you learn to cope with things, so it's got me more on an even keel. I'm not prone to those horrible mood swings anymore that chronic pain can bring upon you. So I'll use the term, I'm proactive now rather than reactive. I have this sense that I can actually do something for myself to help myself rather than just going to the doctor all the time.
I now realise that when I came, I wanted a magic wand. I just wanted someone to tell me how to get rid of this. And when they didn't, I thought to myself, oh, this is not for me. I just wanted someone to tell me what to do. But it's much better as you go along to find your own answers to things, because then you feel as if you've been empowered to sort your own life. I've got my life back. Simple as that. I've got my life back. I used to walk along the street thinking, other people have a normal life, why can't I? And now I feel I can walk along the street saying, I've got a normal life because I have.
Well, now, I used to pass everybody on the street. I would never talk to anybody because background noise, I mean, you'll not understand it, but background noise, I couldn't hear them. But it started about 3-4 weeks into the Wednesday course, and used to have to do an update every week of what was different. And I remember bringing this up. I had him out, and we were at the bus stop, and this guy spoke to me, and without thinking, I answered him. And we were standing chatting for 3 or 4 minutes till the bus came, and I got on the bus, and he says to me, "Have a nice day." And I thought, wow, glory, hallelujah, it has made a lot of difference, because I've got to know all my neighbours now. I've lived there for 28 years, and I know more neighbours now than I ever known. I think they thought I was a snob. I'm not, and I explained that to them.
It just built my confidence up to be able to face people, because I used to go out up to the shops and maybe one of my neighbours coming down, and I would try to body swear them at one time, because they don't know that I'm deaf, and I'm not going, well, I notice when I say I am deaf. I mean, if they say stop and speak to me, I would answer them and then just say, well, I have to get up the road, blah, blah, blah. I was standing talking to one of my neighbours this morning for about 5 minutes, and when I got into the car, I thought, gosh, last year at this time I would never have done that. I would have went another way around to get the car. But no, I saw her coming down, she gave me a wee wave, and stood in and we spoke for a good 5 minutes, and it's fine.
Right.